Welcome to MLATS Arabic, an application program to learn Arabic quickly for beginners with 4 big step multilingual auto translation system. At the first stage, MLATS Arabic will introduce beginner Arabic learners to understand pronouns. In Arabic, it is called as domir. At this stage, the type of pronouns given to the learner are communicative pronouns. For example, huwa, hiya, anta, anti, ana, nahnu. Those 6 pronouns are communicative domir which are generally used in daily conversation. The following are the reason why communicative domir are given to beginners. First, communicative domir are the frequently used pronouns, which means that the pronouns are often practiced in daily communication by beginners. Second, beginners should avoid memorizing those 6 pronouns. Third, beginners applicatively practice using the 6 pronouns in daily conversation. Have a good study!